Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Rajasthani Sisters. Today, I'm going to share a speech on one of India's greatest leaders, Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was a man of simple living and big giving, and his life teaches us many valuable lessons. Let's dive into his journey and understand why he is still remembered as a hero. So let's begin an inspirational speech on Lal Bahadur Shastri. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I'm excited to talk about a great leader of our country, Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of India and is remembered for his simple living and big giving. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on October 2, 1904, the same day as Mahatma Gandhi. Though he was small in size, his heart was wise and his ideas were great. He believed in working hard and helping others. His famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, means hail the soldier, hail the farmer. This shows how much he cared for the soldiers who protect us and the farmers who feed us. Work with honesty, live with pride. Shastri Ji was India's guide. Shastri Ji led India during very difficult times, but he never gave up. He taught us that even when life gets tough, we must stay strong, stand tall, and work hard through it all. Even though he lived a simple life, Shastri Ji's ideas were bright like a star. He showed that you don't have to be rich or famous to make a difference, just kind and brave. With love for the land and truth in the heart, he showed us all how to play our part. Lal Bahadur Shastri is a true inspiration for all of us, and we can honor him by being truthful, simple, and always ready to help others. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the life and values of Lal Bahadur Shastri, a true hero of India. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, of course, subscribe to our channel, Rajasthani Sisters, for more amazing content like this. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired. Jai Hind.